Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW X3 remote battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. This common coin cell battery is readily available. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. The entire process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes of your time, getting your remote back to full power quickly. Next, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom of the remote. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. This action will carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Now for the battery replacement itself. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper contact. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the remote's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and the trunk release. Your BMW X3 remote should now be fully operational with its new battery, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.